starts with a big story.
The Alabama Department of Public Health reporting the state has administered more than 5.8 million COVID-19 vaccinations. Good evening, I'm Mark Franklin.
And I'm Sherry Jackson. With a new COVID variant emerging in the U.S. and in Europe, Pfizer's CEO believes people will need a fourth COVID vaccine. CBS 42's Jake Chapman joins us in studio with the very latest on this, Jake.
And Sherry, Pfizer CEO said the booster shot is lowering hospitalizations and deaths, but another shot is going to be needed against infection. But before we get to that shot, experts say half the state still isn't fully vaccinated, and they urge people to not let their guard down. As the numbers for COVID-19 hospitalizations and deaths continue to drop in Alabama.
At one point we had upwards of 3,000 people in the hospital with COVID-19, and to think that we're under 300.
Experts say the numbers haven't been that low in a long time.
Cautiously optimistic, bracing for any future impacts, but right now we're definitely loving these low numbers.
But another wave of the virus is expected as parts of the nation and the world are battling a new variant.
If we start seeing B2 come in a big way to us, that's the time to re-employ masking. I know everybody's tired of it, but it works if we use it well together.
Dr. Michael Sag with UAB says some people who are immunocompromised have already gotten a fourth shot. But before it becomes available to the rest of the public, he says there are still many in the state needing their booster, even first and second dose.
Because some of our medicines don't work as well against B2, the monoclonal antibodies in particular.
Which is why he is urging those people to roll up those sleeves.
This is a perfect time right now to get your vaccine.
Because the more people vaccinated, the better protection everyone will have against COVID-19.
And so moving forward, that's really going to be on us. It's going to be us to protect our loved ones, to protect ourselves, and protect our community.
And in addition to this fourth shot, Pfizer is also working on another vaccine against Omicron and any other future variants. Now, of course, the recommendation of a fourth shot has to get FDA approval before becoming available to healthy teenagers and adults. We're in the studio tonight. Jake Chapman, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.